This is a tutorial for Oh Holy Night, and we're going to be using arpeggios like this with our 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1 pattern, but you will not finish the arpeggio because each chord gets the equivalent of 2 triplets like this. 1 and a, 2 and a, okay? So to warm up, it's good to play through your scale of chords going triplet, triplet, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. Here on your 5, spread out to the 5, 7, and go ahead and do that arpeggio to get used to it. 1 and a, 2 and a, and then back to A minor for your 6th chord. 1 and a, 2 and a. Your 7th chord is a major chord. 1 and a, 2 and a, just for this song. 1 and a, 2 and a. Once you feel good with that, you move on to playing your scale of arpeggios. Ready? Using the 5, 7 and the major 7. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and 1 and a, 2 and a, 1. Keep that pinky on F. Spread it back out for your A major. So if you need to stop and work on that scale of arpeggios, minor 2, minor 3, major 4, 5, 7, minor 6, major 7, end on the C like that. Once you get that down, add a bass note or a bass octave. Then you're ready to go through the arpeggios of Oh Holy Night. So you would start with 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. It is the night of our 5, 7, 1. Once you can make it through the whole song using those arpeggios, you can plug in the bass note. In sin and error pining till he appeared, and the soul felt its worth, like that. Okay? Once you can do the whole song with the arpeggios and the left hand, that's when you can start working on your chord voicing, which means you don't jump to root position every time. You would use the same notes that are in the F chord, but you could change to the F chord right here instead of jumping all the way up to here. When you're coming from 1 to 4, you can go 1 to 4. So if you've ever used inversions before, you could probably figure this out. The 5, 7, the closest one to 1 is this, and then go back to 1 like that. The way that's an inversion of the 5, 7, watch this carefully. 5, 7, cartwheel the G, cartwheel the B. There it is. It's your second inversion of that 5, 7 chord. Okay? Everything else is pretty much just whatever's closest. The 3 could be here. There's different options for your inversions of your arpeggios, and that will take more work, but once you learn it, it'll make things easier for you so you're not jumping, jumping, jumping all the time. And once you find that close arrangement, then you've completed all 5 steps on the Oh Holy Night worksheet, and you can try it in the next key. You would start with your G scale of chords, progressing to the G scale of arpeggios, 4, 5, 7, 6 chord, 7, major, and G, like that. Okay? So there's a lot you can do with this worksheet, but the song is beautiful, and you'll be playing 7 different chords throughout the song, which makes it a great exercise to transpose. Have fun!